Alright, well, obviously that's still a thing that happens. So as it turns out, one of the wires isn't connected properly to the fuel tank because I'm not getting a fuel reading at all. That is beyond frustrating, but I know that I have a full tank of fuel and I put in just under 7 litres, which means I did have 4 litres in the tank. So the job just never seems to be done with this bike. So I'm going to have to pull the tank back off tomorrow and try and figure out which of those wires isn't connected properly. Feels real good, I have to say. I did suspect that one of the wires had come out of the harness under the fuel tank, but because that wasn't my immediate problem, I didn't think anything more on it. But that's going to have to be a job for tomorrow probably. But I knew that the fuel gauge wasn't entirely accurate, and because I did have the tank off today, I felt that it was about half full, or just under half. But I'm happy to go for a little ride in the remaining light, just because I'm absolutely over the moon with how smooth this bike feels after I ruined it in the first place trying to fix it. I'm extremely disappointed that it's still stalling, but I will say I feel like that has improved. I still got to get a new air filter, which I ordered one before I ordered the new battery I put in, and it still hasn't arrived yet. So we're getting there with the service items. The filter that's in it doesn't look terrible, but it might be affecting the way the bike's running like this. I won't really know until I replace it and see. I would normally be wanting to wear my high-vis vest, but I left my tail bag at home because I prefer still to wear the high-vis in low light and nighttime, but I'm not going far, and it's not necessary, but it's for my peace of mind. I would prefer to be visible. I want to say it feels really, really, really good still. I'm still just riding local roads. It does love a good twist of the throttle, this bike. It's certainly got enough power to get you into trouble. Okay, high beams, not bad. Not brilliant either. I still prefer the LEDs of the Honda. The real danger riding out in Country Vic right on dusk is kangaroos, because it's when they start getting active, and they like the roads because the roads are warm, but they're idiots. And most often I see a kangaroo that's already been hit by a vehicle, and I don't fancy the thought of coming across one on the bike. But to be fair, the biggest thing I've come across is a wallaby. I still wouldn't want to tangle with one. My visor needs a good cleaning. It's really blurry. I haven't been looking after it. I used to maintain a bottle of anti-fog and lens cleaner, And since this helmet has the pin lock, I haven't had to worry about fogging up. So I stopped buying it, and it was only like $10 or $12 for a little bottle, but the stuff works great for getting all the bug guts and smears off the visor, and I really think that that's what I need, because that's distracting me right now. This patchy moisture on the road is making it really difficult to see, combined with the marks on my visor. That hurt my eyes. I'm riding with the visor open so I can actually see, because my visor's dirty as anything. I was going to ride down Haunted Hills Road, but I'm losing like the light really fast, and I'm not used to riding by the light of this bike, so I'm going to loop it back around. I'm not even doing the speed limit because I can't see properly. There's like a fine mist that's covering my visor and making it really hard to see in this light. But the bike feels amazing, and I can't wait to take it for a bigger ride. But not at night. I don't think I'm ready for that yet. Because the colour of this globe is pretty bad.